Okay, on this assignment, it says circumference of circles. Find the circumference of each circle below. I am also going to have you find the area because you need practice on that as well. So, down here, right, find the area too. You need the multiples, hence why we just wrote them in our notebooks. You need the multiples of pi, and you need your first 25 squares. No, you cannot use pen on this because you are turning this in. The circumference of a circle, according to your notes, is what? If you don't have your notes out, you might want to take them out. Okay, in order to calculate circumference, you need the formulas. Okay, I need a hand. 1. Yes. Not pi times radius. We're looking at the C. Pi times diameter. Good. That's one of them. I think this is the easiest one because I only have to multiply 2 numbers there. Another circumference formula is what? Yes. 2 times pi times radius. Good. And then for area, there's only one formula for that, which is what? Yes. What? No, there's no eating going on right now. There's working. Area is what? No, for a circle, it's in your notes. Not times 2. I told y'all how it's written and how it's said. So, say the whole thing.
Pi times r squared.
Pi times r squared, or radius squared. This is not r times 2. Where are your notes? Where are my notes? Because I know I wrote it down there. You should not be conversing. R times r, radius squared, not r times 2. Be careful. Okay. Now, if I have a circle and I have a line that goes through the middle, who remembers what that's called? Yes. Yes? Diameter. You can see the letter D there. If I have a circle and I only have this much of a line, what is this guy called? The radius. Okay? So, looking at this picture here, what measurement have they given me? Which is the diameter. Thank you. Diameter equals 10. So then what is my radius? My radius is 5. What did you do? You cut it in half, divided by 2. What is r squared? R what? R times r. Good. What is r? 5. So what is 5 squared? 25. Or 5 times 5. Correct. You need to have all 3 of those written down for each question. Number 2. What have they given me, a diameter or a radius? A diameter. It goes all the way through. I can see the letter D here. So, diameter equals 20. What is the radius? 10. What is the radius squared? 100. You should not be talking. What? Because I squared it?
R squared. Radius is 10.
This one right here. What letter have they given me? Diameter is what? 8. Hold on, I still hear people talking. Yes, we've done that twice already. So what would half of this be? 4. What would this be squared then? 16. We are not squaring diameters. Cut it out. Here, what do I have? Radius or diameter? Radius is what? So then what's my diameter? And then what's my radius squared? 9. Good. Here. Stand up. Okay, for number 5, what have they given me?
Radius is 5. And diameter is 10. Radius
Where have we seen this before? On question number 1. You don't have to repeat that. It's already been done. For number 6, what have they given me? Radius or diameter? Radius is 13. What is the diameter?
26.
And what is my radius squared? Good. Now we need to work these out. I need circumference. 2 pi r, or pi times diameter. And we need to find the area. So I'm going to cut this in half to show my work. And area is pi times radius squared. Make that look like an R. How can I help you? Excuse me? Oh, okay. Put that up. Put that up. Okay, for the first one, I could use either 2 times pi times r, or I can use pi times diameter. I am going to take out the pi and the r, or the pi and the d, and I'm going to replace them with numbers so that I can multiply. I like to use circumference equals pi times diameter, again, because it's only 2 numbers that I need to multiply. I need to define pi. What is pi? 3.14. 1/4. Now, write it down. For this question, what is my diameter? 10. Now I'm going to take out the symbols and variables. I need everyone's attention. I'm going to take out the symbols and the variables, and I'm going to replace them with numbers. Circumference equals 3.14 times 10. You should have written this in your notebook already, so you don't have to do the work because you already did it. 31.4 centimeters. Come over here. C equals 31.4 centimeters. That's what the label is. Now I'm going to find area. Area equals pi times radius squared. I'm doing the same thing. I am defining the parts of my formula. What is pi equal to?
8.14.
And what is my radius squared equal to? 25. Now I'm going to plug them in. What goes first? What number? 3 and 1400ths times 25. You should have that done already as well. No, not 25 squared. It's 314 times 25. 78.5 centimeters squared. Those are my two answers there. And I got this from my notebook because I wrote the multiples out already. What should I write first for number 3? C equals pi times diameter. Good. Hold on. Pi equals 3.14. Now what? D equals 8. C equals 3.14 times 8. Then work it out. Over here with area. Area equals what? Oh, my bad. Pi radius squared. Now what? Pi equals 3.14. Now what? R squared equals? Good. Now what? 3.14 times 16. Okay, and you need to work that out. For number 4, circumference. C equals pi times diameter. Now what? Pi is 3.14. What else? Good. What else? .14 times 6. Area. A equals pi radius squared. Then what? Pi is 3 and 1400. Then what? What? R is not equal to 6. Okay. R is 9. And what's A? Okay, y'all got to get ready to go. To finish this on Tuesday.